Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. During today's inspection, we've noticed several things in this fuse box. First things first, we got the main that's double lugged here. And what happens when we got multiple wires on one lug, that connection may not be as tight as it needs to be and can cause arcing and several other problems. The other problem that we have right here off the bat is you can see we have aluminum and copper wires there together. Aluminum and copper wires are different materials, and that causes problems between the two. Down here, we have multiple neutrals underneath the same lug. We're gonna move a little farther down in the box. It's hard to see, but right in here, we have two wires underneath the same fuse. That is called double lugging. We're gonna come back up the other side, and we have grounds and neutrals underneath the same lug. There again, that creates a problem of not being able to get the proper connection between the two units. This fuse box also has overspray in it. You can see all the splatter overspray. Whether it's fuses or breakers, overspray can affect how well they work and can affect the connection between it and the bus bar. So for all those reasons, or any one of those reasons by itself, we are going to recommend having a qualified electrician repair this service panel as needed. For all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. Thank you, and we wish everybody a safe and happy day.